Fraction is our sixth unit of this term. Children, now let us recall what is a fraction. A fraction is a part of something. It is a part of a whole. Here a circle is given and a circle is divided into two equal parts. A red semicircle is a fraction of the whole circle. So the red part is 1 out of 2 halves and the fraction of a shaded portion is 1 over 2. 1 out of 2 are half. Half. 1 by 2. What does it mean? The top number tells us how many parts are in the fraction, the colored parts. And the bottom number of the fraction tells us how many parts the whole is made up of. And the top number represents the numerator and the bottom number represents the denominator. We can call the top number as the numerator and the bottom number as the denominator. Children, let us see one more example to know the numerator and the denominator of the given fraction. Here 4 by 5, 4 over 5 is a given fraction. The top number 4 shows us how many number of equal parts of the whole have been taken. And the bottom number 5 represents the denominator and shows us into how many equal parts the whole is divided. What is the shaded portion? 1 over 3. 1 over 3. Here children, 1 over 3 can also be read as 1/3. 1/3. 1 of 4 equal parts written as 1 by 4. This circle has been cut into quarters and 1 quarter is darker. Here, what is the fraction of dark shaded portion? Yes, it is 1 over 4. 1 out of 4. 1 by 4. 1 by 4 can also be read as quarter. Quarter portion of a complete circle. Let us see some more examples. Here, the first shape is known as circle and the second shape is square. Third one is parallelogram. Here, all these shapes are divided into 4 equal parts. 4 represents the denominator, the total number of parts. And one part is shaded, darker than the other one. So, what is the shaded portion of darker shaded portion? Yes, it is 1 over 4. 1 over 4 can also be read as quarter. 1 quarter fits into a whole shape 4 times. Let us know 1 quarter is 1 out of 4 equal parts. Children, now let us see half, the term half, the fraction half, 1 by 2. The shapes given are triangle, square, circle. The above shapes are divided into 2 equal parts, isn't it? In the 2 equal parts, one part was shaded. The shaded portion was 1/2 and the unshaded part was another half. Hence, the fraction 1 by 2 can also be read as half. Here, half a triangle, half a square, half a circle. See the examples. Half of an orange, half of an circle, glass half full, half of the watermelon. Now let us see 3/4. 3/4. Here the circle is divided into 4 equal parts. So 4 represents the denominator and it represents the total number of parts. And what is the fraction of shaded portion? Yes, 3/4. Here 3 represents the number of parts was shaded. 3 parts out of 4 are left. So 3/4 of the watermelon is left. Let us see about equivalent fractions. Here 2 circles are given. Check out the circles. We see in the first circle 1/2 half part is red, and in the second circle 3/6 is red. But you notice that the same amount is red on both the circles. So 1/2 must be the same amount as 3/6. When we reduce 3/6, we get 1/2. Yes, these are called equivalent fractions since they are equal amounts. Children, do you know? Equivalent fractions are different fractions which named the same amount. Example, 1/2, 2/4, 3/6, 100 out of 200, 521 over 1042 are all equivalent fractions. When we reduce all these fractions except 1/2, we get 1/2 half as a fraction. Now let us do the exercise problems. Children, now let us see exercise 6.1. Shade the half portion of the given pictures. Children, here some pictures are given. We need to shade half of the pictures. So half, which means that semi portion of a complete picture, complete shape. So here 1/2, which means that half, that is 1/2 of a complete figure or shape. So the shapes are divided into 2 equal parts. Each part is said to be half portion, semi portion of the complete figure or shapes. So children, the fraction of half is 1/2. That is the complete part. The total number of parts is 2 and 1. The number of portion here we are going to shade is 1. Here I have shaded the half portion, semi portion, 1/2 of the complete picture, complete shapes. Here the circle, square, triangle, square, rectangle and leaf, star and the shape of a human being are divided into 2 equal parts, and I have shaded the half portion of these pictures. And what is the fraction of the shaded portion? Yes, it is 1/2. Children, here the shapes circle, rectangle, triangle, square are divided into 2 equal parts. 2 equal parts. in the two equal parts, one part was shaded. One part was shaded. The shaded portion was 1/2 and the unshaded part was another half. One part is 1/2 and the unshaded part is another half. And what about the fraction of shaded portion? The fraction of shaded part is 1/2, and also the fraction of unshaded, not colored, unshaded part is again 1/2. That is 1/2, half. So children, here each part is said to be half. 1/2 fraction is also known as half or semi of a complete shape. Children, exercise 6.2. Shade the quarter portion in the following figures. Quarter, as I am told already, quarter, which means that 1/4. 1/4 of a complete shape. So children, here square, circle, again a square, semicircle, rectangle, triangle, or the shapes are divided into 4 equal parts. 4 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4. And quarter, we need to shade the quarter portion. It means that from the 4 equal parts, you have to shade only one. Then the square is divided into 4 equal parts, and the shaded portion of the square here is 1/4. That is the fraction of shaded portion is 1/4. So from 4 equal parts, I have shaded only one. So it means that quarter portion of a complete figure. And here in the circle, let us shade one part. Now we can shade any one of the equal part. Okay, here, 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 here. Any part we can shade. But you need to shade only one part, because it represents quarter portion of a complete circle. And here, let us shade the portion. You can shade this or this or this or this. Any one part. Because the square is divided into 4 equal parts, and here I have shaded only one part. And here let us shade one part of a semicircle. And here let us shade one part from 4 equal parts of a shape rectangle. Here children, a triangle is divided into 4 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4. And to represent the fraction quarter portion, which means that 1/4 of a shape, I have shaded one part from the 4 equal parts. Then exercise 6.3. Color 3/4 of the following pictures. 3/4. Here 3/4, which means that it represents the fraction 3/4. 3/4. That is, 3 is the number of parts you have, and 4 is total number of parts. Thus the figure, thus the shape is divided into. So here circle, square, rectangle and triangle or the shapes are divided into 4 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have divided the given shapes into 4 equal parts to represent the 4, which is in the denominator. 3, which represents here the number of parts are going to be shared. So in the circle, 1, 2, 3. So children, here the circle is divided into 4 equal parts, and to represent the fraction 3/4, 3/4, I have shaded 3 parts. And here in the square, let us shade 3 parts. 1, 2, 3. Here, what is the fraction of shaded portion? Yes, it is 3/4, 3/4. 1. So here I have shaded 1 part, and now I am shading the second part, and the final one is third part. So totally I have shaded 3 parts. Here the fraction of the shaded portion is 3/4. 3/4. Exercise 6.4. Write suitable fractions as 1/4, quarter, 1/2, half, 3/4, 3/4 in the circle given below against the pictures. So children, according to the shaded portion, we need to write the fractions 1/4, 1/2, 3/4 in the circle. So first, what about the square? So the square is divided into 4 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4. And here only one part is shaded. So what is the fraction of shaded portion? 1 out of 4. Quarter portion of the square is shaded. And here in the square, 1, 2, 3. 3 parts are shaded from the 4 parts of the square. So what is the fraction of the shaded portion? 1, 2, 3. 3 out of 4. From 4 equal parts, 3 parts are shaded. And here children, total number of parts is 4 and the shaded portion is 1. So the fraction of shaded portion of the square is 1/4, quarter. And here 1, 2. There are 2 equal parts. The square is divided into 2 equal parts and 1 part is shaded. So the fraction of shaded portion is 1/2. Then here the given shapes are circle, square and rectangle. Here listen carefully. The 3 shapes are divided into 4 equal parts. 4 equal parts. And listen, how many part is shaded? Yes, only one part is shaded in each shade. One. So, the fraction of circle, square, rectangle is 1/4. The fraction of shaded portion of the given shapes, circle, square, rectangle is 1/4. 1/4. We can also read as 1/4. 1/4 of a complete shape is shaded. Children, the shaded portion represent quarter or 1/4. Children, exercise 6.5. Choose the appropriate picture given below for the fraction 2/4. 2/4. So children, here 4 represents total number of parts. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here all the given shapes are divided into 4 equal parts. And 2 represents, which is in the numerator, represents the number of parts are shaded. In the circle, 3 parts are shaded. The number of parts are shaded is 3. What is the fraction of shaded portion here? 3/4. So, come to the next figure. It is a square, and here, what is the fraction of shaded portion? 2/4. 2/4. Yes, this figure represents 2/4. Here, what about the shape triangle? The shaded portion here is 1 out of 4 parts. Therefore, the fraction of shaded portion is 1/4. So children, here the fraction of shaded portion is 3/4, and here 2/4, here 1/4. As 2/4, the second picture is the exact picture which represents the fraction 2/4. Choose the equivalents according to the fraction given against the pictures. So children, here 1/2. Among these pictures, shaded portion of the circle, which shaded portion circle represents 1/2? Here, the first circle represents 1/4. The part, only one part is shaded. The fraction of the shaded portion is 1/4. And here in the second circle, 2 parts are shaded out of 4. And here 3 out of 4. Half, 1/2 represents half, semi portion. So children, the shaded portion, half of the shaded portion of the circle is shaded. So here quarter part of a complete circle is shaded. And here, yes, half part is shaded. So here 3/4 parts are shaded. So the second circle represents 1/2 fraction. And in the second one, 2/4, 2/4. Children, we know that the shaded portion of a first square is 1/4. And the second one is 2. 2 parts are shaded over 4. 3/4. Therefore, the second square is the required square. And 1/4. Here, what about the first triangle? Yes, the triangle is divided into 4 equal parts. In the second triangle, it divides into two equal parts. And in the third triangle, the triangle divides into two equal parts. What is the fraction of shaded portion? Here 1 over 4. 1 out of 4. 1 by 4. And here 1 by 2. 2 equal parts. Here 2 over 2. It represents a complete triangle. A complete triangle is shaded. So 1 by 4. Yes, the first triangle represents the exact fraction 1 by 4. Children, do the following activities.